Guys, Forex, I feel like it needs a lot of capital for you to make money on Forex. That's why everyone is going to Nasdaq in today's age. Like, okay, in the last couple of years, people seem to gravitate towards Nasdaq and US states. Let's just say indices more than Forex. So it's not because people are crazy. It should tell you that there's something that's driving people to those kind of markets. So the thing is, the typical South African, when we go to these things, when we start trading and stuff, we don't have a lot of capital. Because even when I look at my analytics, right? When I look at my YouTube analytics, most of my audience is between the age of 18 to 24. That's like most of y'all. So in SA's economy, we don't have like 10K lying around or a 20K where you can put it into Forex and make money. Am I lying or not? You feel me? So we don't have that kind of money just lying around. So that's why now with indices, we can take our little bit of 500 rands, 400 rands, 600 rands into 10K. We can grow them into very large amounts. You understand? From basically small capital. You understand? So the thing is, if you try to use the same procedure, you find with 300 rands and you want to trade Euro USD, my G, even if you go to USDs, the margin, first of all, your margin is going to kill you. The spread is going to kill you. With the 300 rands, you might be, your position will open. It's not even going to, you can hold the trade. You can hold the trade in H4 time frame in a forex market like Euro USD, for example. You can hold a winning trade for 8 hours only to make $6 profit on 0.01. Imagine, bruh, like, first of all, no strategy is gonna give you 100% winning rate. We know that. So when you are winning, imagine you are winning for 8 hours straight, but you only made $6. You understand? So imagine that on this 100 now or US states, that 8 hours, bruh, you can make from 1K, you can take it to like 12K, 13K, and stuff like that. So that's why people are gravitating towards these things. It's not because people are greedy or what. It's just that it will make more sense for you to put your money where you're gonna get the most results. You understand? So that's why I no longer tell people how to trade. That's why I no longer tell people how to trade forex and stuff. Because even me, once I started trading these things, I never looked back to currencies. Because guys, it's just a waste of time. Those things, you understand? So yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys about lot sizing in terms of trading NES 100. You know, I understand. If you got any question, hit me up. I'm interested to know what you guys think. You feel me? What do you mean, bro? How do you trade? How do you trade your entries? What do you mean? I choose. So the way I trade my entries, I go from top down. I do my top down analysis. So as you can see here, I'm on daily time frame, right? I'm on a daily time frame. So I'd analyze while I'm going to smaller and smaller and smaller time frames. If I want to open my trades, I go to I'm sure H1, M30 or M15 or M5. That's why I look for my trades. If I'm really scalping with it, I open my trades on M5. But M1 for me is a little bit too much, you understand? But only if I'm like super aggressive with my scalping, I can think. You understand? But you can get Euro USD micro. No, listen. What I'm saying is you can trade standard forex currencies, but making money on those things, even though it's a standard instrument, it's gonna be very hard for you. You understand? Making money off those things is very hard because those things don't move, bruh. They move, but the volatility just isn't there as much as it's there on the indices. So if you really want to grow, I would say start trading with let's say if you have 1,000 rands or less. If you have 1,000 rands or less to fund an account, I would say fund that 1,000 rands and trade micro. Trade micro NES 100 or US 30 micro. If not, you want to trade something standard with 1,000 rands or less, then trade US 500. US 500 is just like NES 100, you understand? Except it doesn't kill your equity or your margin. So it's very hard for you to blow an account when you're trading when you're trading, what do you call? US 500 or the micro indices. That's if you have less than 1,000 rands. Don't even go and play there on the standard ones, because you're gonna lose money unless you've been trading a long time enough to actually know how to make money from those kind of things. Because for the normal beginner, you're gonna make a lot of mistakes. You're gonna make a lot of mistakes. So I don't want you making your mistakes with 1,000 rand account and then you're gonna blow it. Then I know it's gonna be another hassle for you to get the 1,000 rands. That's why I don't advise beginners to start trading NES 100 standard. Trade it micro and then gradually build up. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, people can't handle greed. But my G, also the thing is the problem that a lot of people have. It's not greed. I feel like the problem a lot of people have is that they're trying to implement strategies that you would have to use when after you become profitable. You understand? Some strategies you need to first understand the strategy before you can now you understand before you can now start flexing with it and using 1,000 rands account and growing it to like 10K or so. I'm not gonna like in my experience. I've taken accounts from 500. Thing when the market just opened. I think it was a Monday. I took an account from 500 ZAR to like 6K before morning, right? And then only from scalping. And then after from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m., that account now was from 6K to like 12K. And then from around 2 o'clock to 6 at night, that account went from 12K to like 17K, 18K, somewhere around there. So basically, I took 500 rands to like 18K in the space of a full day. But it's not something I can advise you to do if you don't have the experience. That's what I'm saying. It's not about greed. You understand? So, what is the correct lot size for a 300 rand account on NES 100? My G, if you have a 300 rand account, let me tell you something, right?